Welcome to the EMVI podcast. I'm Marianne. This podcast offers a dive into the scene description and orientation features and how you can apply them in your daily life. Today we are going to work with some sample photos to demonstrate the different functions. We are working with photos because we are in the studio right now. Scene description. We will start with a nature photo. I open the EMVI app and stay on the photo function. I tap the screen and EMVI automatically takes a photo.
3, 2, 1. Photo captured. How can I help you with this image?
I tap the screen and ask, "What do you see?" and then tap again. What do you see?
Please wait. This scene portrays a peaceful natural setting with a calm body of water, likely a lake, with a single canoe floating near the shore. It is surrounded by dense green trees with some leaves glowing golden under the sunlight, evoking tranquility and solitude.
I would like more information about this photo and keep asking. What is the atmosphere like?
Please wait. The atmosphere is serene and tranquil, with a sense of peace and solitude. The warm sunlight casting a golden hue over the leaves adds to the feeling of warmth and connection with nature, making it feel like an isolated forest retreat.
You can keep asking questions until you have a complete scene description to your liking. Orientation. Now we are going to delve deeper into the topic of orientation with the next photo. I go to the photo function and tap the screen to take a photo.
3, 2, 1. Photo captured. How can I help you with this image?
What do you see?
Please wait. The image shows 2 red brick townhouses under a clear sky, with white framed bay windows and arched doorways. Each entrance has a black door with a semicircular transom window and a topiary beside it. The scene feels orderly and calm, with trimmed hedges and a neat pathway leading to a low metal gate.
So I already got a lot of information, but now I would like to know what the numbers are of the houses. What number is the house?
Please wait. The houses are numbered 2 and 4.
So now I know where I am at what number of houses, but I would like to know if I can easily get to number 4. Can I easily get to number 4?
Please wait. Yes, you can easily reach number 4. The pathway leading from the gate is clear and symmetrical, taking you directly to the black door labeled with the number 4 above it.
Are there steps?
Please wait. No, there are no steps visible in front of the entrances. The pathway appears flat, leading directly to the doors.
EMVI's explanation was very clear. I now have enough information to continue. Want to know more about the EMVI app? Listen to our other podcasts. You'll find everything about how to use the app and what you can do with it. From short overviews to extensive explanations. There is something for everyone. If you don't have the app yet, go to the App Store or Play Store and download your own visual assistant. You can enjoy a free 2-week trial. Thank you for listening to this episode and see you next time.